Yes, hello everyone. I'm Jesus Javier Caicedo. Now I'm going to do my activity according to activity guide. This is the course testing and evaluation in ELT, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. And now I'm going to speak about my choose group. He said that 2017 promotion a private country school in a very exclusive northern area in Cali. The school has bilingual status. The school day is 8 hours. The class is 24 students. Introduction. Teaching and learning in a built environment has become necessary around the world. In also widely using the educational field at university as well as in an education corporation. However, to be successful in online material for teaching and learning, some requirements are needed. One of the most important in developed skill in computer application as a fundamental requirement to achieve better performance. Proposal evaluation. The evaluation is an analysis that not only takes in account the final grade, but the entire learning process performance by the students. It is therefore necessary to consider several elements. 1. First, what to evaluate. How and when to evaluate. In order to evaluate the student, taking into account the entire learning process, there are 3 variables. An evaluation must be considered. 1. Diagnostic. 2. Formative. And 3. Summative. Methods. Method as evaluation consider the direct method, which consists in transmitting a language user speaking as a first skill. It will allow learning to interpret concepts, meaning by a learning process. This method will also enhance student capacity to practice grammatical structure without focusing on it. This is why the direct method should be used as learning methodology for the fact that it's necessary to start teaching a new language by making students listening or more. Plus, they will learn in a very didactic format to make the learning process more enjoyable and effective. Approaches. The communication approach is based on the idea that learning a language successful can through having a communicate real meaning. In the communicative approach, the main objective is to present a topic in context natural as possible. Assignment for English for a specific purpose. Taking in account the formative and summative evaluating, personalized process must be carried out since the growth is very diverse. However, a productive strategy will be to create work, taking the lever and allowing them to complete each other. Finally, it should be noted that the evaluation process must be constant in order to assess the teaching learning process. Evaluation. Summative. The teacher evaluates the performance through communication skill, has a reading, speaking, and use of grammar. Formative. She or he encourage them to participate activity in field responsible. They are all learning process working under their previous knowledge to build a new one. After creating the individual lesson plan, this method is connecting to the collaborative approach and what the students want to need to learn and emphasizing in consolidate. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. See us.